Tired of your iPhone videos looking like they were filmed on a potato? You might have low data mode turned on, and today, we're turning it off. First things first, let's unlock that iPhone and head straight to the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. Tap on it to open up a world of customization. Alright, now scroll down a little bit until you see Cellular, or on some iPhones, it might say Mobile Data. Go ahead and tap that. This is where we manage our cellular settings. Next, look for Cellular Data Options or Mobile Data Options. This option is where we're going to find the low data mode setting. Tap on it. Here it is. See that low data mode option? If the switch next to it is green, that means it's currently turned on. Tap the switch to turn it off. See how the switch is now gray? That means low data mode is disabled. Your apps can now use more data, hopefully giving you better streaming and faster downloads. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your high quality videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks.